Good morning, students. Today we'll solve some exercise problems on the chapter least common multiple, or it is commonly called as LCM. LCM means least common multiple. So let us study what is LCM, least common multiple. The lowest multiple of two or more numbers is called as least common multiple. It is the lowest multiple of two or more numbers. ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ದಿ ನೇಮ್ ಇಟ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ LCM ಆಫ್ 10 and 30? So you have to find out LCM of 10 and 30. That is, what is the LCM of 10 and 30? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು 10 ಮತ್ತು 30ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು LCM, ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 10. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 10. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10 1 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 20 is a factor of 10, 10 is also a factor of 10. First you have to find out the factors of 10. So 10 1 ja 10, 10 is a factors of 10. Then 10 2 ja 20, 20 is a factor of 10. Therefore write 20 is a factor of 10. Next 10 3 ja 30, 30 is a factor of 10. Therefore write 30 is a factor of 10. Next one 10 4 ja 40, 40 is a factor of 10 because 40 is a factor of 10. Therefore write 40 is a factor of 10. Next 10 5 ja 50, 50 is a factor of 10. Therefore write 50 is a factor of 10. Next one 10 6 ja 60, 60 is a factor of 10. Therefore write 60 is a factor of 10. Therefore the factors of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ 10ರ ಅಪವರ್ತನಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So these are all the factors of 10. Then you have to find out the factors of 30. Similarly you have to find out the factors of 30. Therefore factors of 30 are 31 ja 30, 30 is a factor of 30. Next one 32 ja 60, 60 is a factor of 30 because 60 is a factor of 30. That is 32 ja how much, 32 ja 60, 60 is a factor of 30. Next one 33 ja 90, 90 is a factor of 30. Therefore write 90 is a factor of 30. Therefore factors of 30 are 30, 60 and 90. These are the factors of 30. ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 30ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದೀವಿ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 30, 60 ಮತ್ತು 90. ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 30. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಆರ್ 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60, while factors of 30 are 30, 60 and 90. So now you have to find out common factor of both 30 and 10. So here common factors are 30 is present in both the factors of 10 and 30. Therefore 30 is a factor of 10 and 30. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಏನಿದೆ 10 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ 30 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 30 ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ 60, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10 6 ಜ 60, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 32 ಜ 60 ಈಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನ. ಸೊ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 10 and 30 ಆರ್ 30 ಮತ್ತು 60. ಸೊ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ 10 and 30 ಆರ್ 30 and 60. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ LCM. ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 30 ಮತ್ತು 60. 30 ಮತ್ತು 60ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 30. ಸೊ 30 is smaller than 60. 30 is least than 60. Therefore 30 is least than 60. Therefore it is the 30 is the least common multiple. So the least common multiple of 10 and 30 is how much? 30. So the least common multiple of 10 and 30 is 30. Therefore 30 is the LCM for the given problem. So 30 is the LCM for the given solution. That is LCM of 10 and 30 is 30. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂದರೆ 30 and 60. 30 ಮತ್ತು 60ಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು LCM ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ 30 ಮತ್ತು 60ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. 30 ಮತ್ತು 60ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನ? 30. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 30 is the least common multiple. So 30 is the least common multiple of 10 and 30. In this way you have to find out the least common multiple, or it is called as commonly called as LCM. So the lowest multiple of 2 or more numbers is the least common multiple of that number. In this way you have to find out the LCM for the given problem. Let us solve some exercise problems. So take first one. Find the LCM of the following numbers: A 9 and 4, B 12 and 5, C 6 and 5. So you have to find the LCM of the following numbers, that is A 9 and 4. You have to find out the least common multiple of the given numbers, that is A 9 and 4. So LCM is the least common multiple. So first you have to find by using factorization method. So take first, right, find the LCM of the following, that is A 9 and 4. So take 9 and 4, 9 and 4, right? Then you have to divide by, first you have to divide by the smallest number. So ಅತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. So here 2 does not subdivides 9, therefore 9 write as it is. Next 4 is there, 2 2 ja how much? 2 2 ja 4, so write 2. Next 9 and 2 is there, so 9 does not subtract 2, so write 2 9 as it is. 2 1 ja 2, therefore 2 1 ja 2. 9 does not divide 9, therefore write 9 as it is. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 2ರಿಂದ ಭಾಗ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 9 as it is ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 3 ಜಾ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 3 3 ಜಾ 9, therefore write 3 and 1 as it is. Next 3 is there, next divide by again by 3, 3 1 ja 3, therefore 1 as it is. So here you have to find the LCM by factorization method, that is 9 and 4 is there. First you have to divide by 2, 9 does not divide 2, therefore write 9 as it is. Next 4 is there, 2 2 ja 4. Therefore write 2 as it is. Next 2 2 1 ja 2, 9 as it is. Next 3 3 3 ja 9. Therefore write 3 here and 1 as it is. Next 3 1 ja 3 and 1 3 1 ja 3. Therefore the factors of 9 and 4 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. These are the factors of 9 and 4. Therefore 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Therefore LCM of 9 and 4 is equal to, you have to multiply this factor, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ, ಈ ಗುಣಕಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಾವು LCM ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬಹುದು. therefore multiply 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. therefore 2 2 ja how much? 4. 4 3 ja 12. Next 12 3 ja 36. Therefore 36 is the least common multiple or LCM of the given problem. That is 2 into 2 4. 4 3 ja 12. 12 3 ja 36. Therefore 36 is the least common multiple of 9 and 4. In this way you have to find out the LCM of the given problem. So that is, here in this problem the LCM of 9 and 4 is 36. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಬೈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಬಂದು ನಂತರ ಏನು ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೋ ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ LCM ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ given numbers. So in this way you have to find out the least common multiple of the given numbers. Next take B problem, that is 12 and 5. You have to find the LCM of the following numbers, that is 12 and 5. So first you have to write LCM of 12 and 5, that is by factorization method you have to find out the LCM. So write 12 and 5. First you have to, here you have to remember that you have to divide by smallest number, smallest divisible number. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಅತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಭಾಗ ಆಗುವ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆನ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ 2. 12 and 5 is there. So divide by 2. So 12 is there. 2 6 ja, it divides by 6. 2 6 ja 12. Therefore write 2. So 12 divided by 2 6 ja 12. Therefore write 6 here. 5 does not divide by 2. 5 ರಿಂದ 2 divide ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So write as it is 5. Next 2 6 is there. 2 3 ja 6. Therefore write 3 here and 5 does not divide by 2. Therefore write 5 as it is. So 5 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 5 as it is ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 and 5 is there. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿವಿಸಬಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಅತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದ ಭಾಗ ಆಗುವ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ಅತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 3 is there. 3 1 ja 3. 5 does not divide by 3. 5 3ರಿಂದ ಭಾಗ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 and 5 is there. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 1 as it is. 5 1 ja 5. So 5 1 ja 5. So here ಗುಣಕ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಣಕಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಂದರೆ 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. You have to multiply these numbers, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Therefore you have to write the LCM of 12 and 5 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. By multiplying these factors you will get the LCM of 12 and 5, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So multiply here. 2 2 ja how much? 4. 4 3 ja 12. So 12 into 5. You have to multiply 12 5 ja how much? 12 5 ja 60. Therefore 60 is the LCM of 12 and 5. So by multiplying these factors you will get the LCM of the given number, that is 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. 60 is the least common multiple of the given number, that is 12 and 5. Therefore LCM of 12 and 5 is how much? 60. In this way you have to find out the LCM of the given numbers. Take next problem, that is C1, 6 and 5. You have to find the LCM of the following numbers, that is C, 6 and 5. So you have to find out the least common multiple of 6 and 5. Therefore write LCM of 6 and 5. So first you have to find the factors of 6 and 5. So by factorization method, by you have to find out the LCM of given numbers. So write 6 and 5. So first divide it by smallest divisible number, that is 6 is there, it divides by 2. Therefore write 2 3 ja 6. Therefore 3 is, so write 3 here. Next 5 is there, 5 does not divide by 2. Therefore write 5 as it is. Therefore here 2 3 ja 6. So 5 does not subdivides 2. Therefore write 5 as it is. Illi 6 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 2 3 ja 6, 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 does not divide by 2. Therefore write as it is. Next the remaining numbers are the 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Here 3 is there, 3 divide by 3. Therefore write 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ja 3. And 5 is there, 5 does not divide by 3. 5 ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೇಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5. Therefore here remaining are 1 and 5. Therefore 5 is there, 5 divide by 5. Therefore write 5 1 ja 5. 5 1 ja 5. 1 is there, 1 as it is. Therefore the factors of 6 and 5 are 2 into 3 into 5. You have to multiply these terms. You will get the LCM of the given numbers, that is 2 into 3 into 5. Therefore write these factors, that is 2 into 3 into 5. Therefore write the LCM of 6 and 5 is equal to the factors obtained by factorization method, that is 2 into 3 into 5. ನಾವು ಇವನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗಿವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ obtained. Therefore here 2 into 3 into 5. So multiply here 2 3 ja 6. So 2 3 ja how much? 2 3 ja 6. Next 6 5 ja 30. 6 5 ja 30. 30 is the least common multiple of 6 and 5. Therefore 30 is the least common multiple of 6 and 5. So in this way you have to find out the LCM of the given numbers by using factorization method. Dear students, let us take homework for today. So take first one, find the LCM of the following. You have to find the LCM of the following. First one, A 6 and 24, B 15 and 35. You have to find the least common multiple of the following, that is A 6 and 24, B 15 and 35. Second one, write the multiplication table from 1 to 20. You have to write the multiplication table from 1 to 20. That's all for today. Thank you.